Okay, so in this session, we'll understand the Marketing Cloud ecosystem. Some of you are already aware of it. Those of you don't, so for you, we'll cover the ecosystem. We'll see real personalization in action. So how we build the email, how we build the data, how we run personalization on the emails. So that we will see. And we'll learn how the campaigns are built, and we'll try to send we'll send the emails. Okay. Now, so those of you who don't know the tool, or those of you are not aware about the Marketing Cloud, it is a cloud-based digital marketing platform which allows businesses to plan, personalize, and automate marketing campaign. So across email, SMS, and mobile push. So now it also include WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is also included in the Marketing Cloud. You can send notifications on WhatsApp using Marketing Cloud. Okay, so that is the Salesforce Marketing Cloud tool. As I'm sure some of you are already aware about the Salesforce. Salesforce is, I believe, right now it's number one tool in this CRM environment, and Marketing Cloud is a product of Salesforce. Earlier, it used to be ExactTarget, but now it is Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Okay. Now, when we talk about Salesforce Marketing Cloud, so it's not just one tool. Okay. It is a combination of many tools like Web Studio. Social Studio is not a part of it anymore, but it is there. Mobile Studio, Journeys, Automation, Email Studio. So all these are part of Marketing Cloud. Okay. Now, so they are basically, we have two types of candidates right now. Some of you are already aware about the tool, already aware working in the environment. So for them, it is more of a brushing up their skills and learning back. Some of you who are new, for you, you might be changing your careers or you're starting new. Okay. So these are some of the career graphs which we can start after Marketing Cloud, or if you are good in Marketing Cloud, these are some of the career choices you can go for. Okay, Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer, email specialist, campaign managers, project managers. So if you have experience, so let's say you are an email marketer and you also have experience or knowledge about Marketing Cloud, then you can work as a project manager. So this is the best part. If you have experience in other field like marketing, email marketing, not in Salesforce marketing, so that experience will also come handy when you work or when you know this tool. Okay, a Marketing Cloud consultant, or this is the important one, freelance developer. So I've come across a lot of opportunity for freelance work if you know the tool in and out. Okay, so if your plan is to work on your own, work on your brand, and work as a freelancer, developer, consultant, then this is the tool you go for. And of course, Salesforce CRM and all that, Data Cloud, all those tools as well. So if you know all of them, then chances of getting projects, paid projects in freelance environment is very high. I've seen people who, left their job and working 100% on freelance environment. So this is the bigger opportunity. Okay. Now to make career in this, so these are some of the certificates or the certifications in Salesforce Marketing Cloud environment. Earlier, it used to call only email specialist developer. Now some of the names have changed. So earlier it used to have 4. Now they have 5. So for that, you need to go to, there's a website called webassessor.com. You need to go there, register yourself, create your account, and appear for the examinations. Okay, it's, if I'm not wrong, 120 minutes or 90-minute exam. And there's no negative marking in that. And 80%, because it's been a long time I gave the certification exam, I think 80% is or 60% is the passing percentage. Okay. Last time I checked, the cost of appearing for an examination was $200. I'm not sure right now. I think it's still $200. And if you're reappearing after failing first attempt, then it is $100. Okay. Every year whenever there is a new uh, update in the tool, so you will be asked to update your certification. There is a website called Trailheads. You need to make your accounts. Some of you are already aware of it. Trailheads.com. You need to go there. It has all the theory part. It has all the study material for all the Salesforce environment. Okay, like even for MuleSoft, for Tableau, for all these tools, it has all the study material. You can go there and study. Okay, and you need to create an account over there so that your certification account and your tailored accounts can be combined and you can see your certifications on that screen. It will give you all the update. It will give you notifications whenever there's a requirement for uh, activation or updating your certifications. All right. Now, who are some of the customers of Marketing Cloud or the industries where we use this tool? So, but obvious e-commerce brands, Amazon is one of them, Flipkart is one of them. Both of them uses Salesforce Marketing Cloud. They also use some of other tools as well. So what happens in bigger companies like Amazon, Flipkart? So they tend to not depend on one tool. They Some of the BUs uses other tool as well. Okay, so e-commerce brand, bank and insurance companies for their transactional SMSs, transactional updates, transactional emails, banks and financial institutions. I remember, I believe Vanguard is one of them. Vanguard uses a marketing cloud. Retailers, so a lot of restaurants. So those of you who are in US, there's a restaurant chain called Wingstop. That is also one of the customers of Marketing Cloud. Okay. Ad tech, SaaS industry, and digital marketing agency, of course. So those of you who wants to start their own business, for that as well, it helps. Okay, so these are some of the industries where you can go and make your career, or if you're already there, you can make your switch. Okay, this tool is very powerful because, as I mentioned earlier, it uses real-time data and it supports dynamic content with AMPScript. Okay, so this is the coding part which you need to learn. Okay, so what happens in Marketing Cloud environment if you are just learning the tool, if you're very new in this, and if you don't know, or if you're coming from a non-tech background, so for you, learning Marketing Cloud tool is very easy. Why? Because you don't need to learn any code. Okay, so but if you want to make career out of it, if you want to make a career transition into Marketing Cloud, then you need to learn coding. Okay, like SQL is there, AMPScript is there, and if you're building emails, then HTML is there. Okay, these three are the basic, I would say, or the prime requirement. Okay, so those of you from email industry or the already creating emails, so those of you I'm sure are well versed with HTML. Those of you are from CRM background, I'm sure you know about the SQL. So this is AMPScript. AMPScript is nothing, it's just a scripting language for Marketing Cloud. And I believe in my experience, learning this language is very easy as compared to HTML, SQL, and all other coding languages. Okay. It is very easy to learn AMPScript. And with practice, you can become master of it. Okay, so that's my experience with AMPScript. And of course, Marketing Cloud can easily integrate with other tools. So they have their in-house tool, CRM Cloud or CRM Sales Cloud, and other tools as well. Okay, so Data Cloud is one of them. So like iPhone, because iPhone has this ecosystem where you can find solution for everything. Okay, so similarly Salesforce is also trying to build, or they have already built this ecosystem where whatever the need of a business, they have solution for it. Okay, you're looking for a CRM tool, they have it. You're looking for a marketing tool, they have it. You're looking to work on your data, they have the tool for data as well. Okay, so this is the, I would say, the working of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Now, if we were talking about AMPScript, okay. Now, why do we use AMPScript? Okay, so these are some of the usage of AMPScript. So it is majorly, like I would say, 90% of the time, it is used for dynamic content. Okay, so what is a dynamic content? Just to give you a simple explanation, I need to send an email to 2 or 3 different category of subscribers or customers, but I don't want to build 3 different emails. So what I will do, I'll build one email. I'll use AMPScript to dynamically populate the data to all those customers. Okay, so one person will receive different message, another person will receive different message in the same email. Okay, so that's the simple explanation of AMPScript. Okay, personalization. So if you're receiving an email from like a company or a bank, so instead of hi customer, hi your name, your last name, so it gives a personalized touch. So that is also the working of AMPScript. For lookup the data extension, so whatever data we have in the store, we call it data extension. So to populate that data in the email, like policy number, purchase date, last order, all these data, so that is also populated in the email using AMPScript. Okay. Logics, conditional. So dynamic content. So the example I just gave uh, is the conditional logic that if gender is female, send this message. If the gender is male, then this message, and so on and so forth. Okay. We're testing variants, different images we can send. So that is the uh, whole usage of AMPScript. So you will be dealing with AMPScript if you are working on a dynamic content. Okay. So as I mentioned earlier, if you don't know code at all, Salesforce Marketing Cloud, it's the very good tool to start with, because for every coding concept, it has the solution. Because for AMPScript, it has dynamic contents. For SQL, it has filters. Okay. But if you, as I mentioned, if you want to make career, then you need to learn all these things. And after like giving a good amount of practice, you will be able to grasp all these concepts. Okay.